Hello everyone, welcome back to another tutorial. This is Max, and today we're gonna learn how the hell do I even format the Davinci Resolve project file. So first of all, if you come you're probably used to having a project file with the extension of .pr, I believe. But where in the world do you even find that in Davinci Resolve? In Davinci Resolve, actually, we use our database system. So of course you can see our projects, all projects here in database. So that's for the basics of how do I open the database. So come here to add project library, then we create. I will put, I'll name it test database, and you will see, okay, so here's the database tutorial. That's great, but where is the project file? Where do you find the project file? So this is the project file. It's called test database. So as users guess, you can see the file projects. Which I can simply just click and open. Ta-da! But since we had it open already, it's the same thing, so copy. It's a copy of it. And by the way, guys, if you are into color grading, we are doing a collaboration with Davinci. If you haven't heard of it, Davinci is a film emulation software plugin available in Davinci Resolve, Final Cut Pro, After Effects, Premiere, Photoshop. Super exciting. Use this promo code for 10% off. And voila, here we have the file, project file opened. Okay, so let's say you lost your database. It's like disconnected, and you also didn't create your project file. You will go to this and you click this, but nothing happens. So how do you reconnect your database? Well, come to the project manager, you add project library. You don't want to create a new one, you want to connect it. Right? What do we name it? I forgot. Database tutorial, right? Something like that. Okay, and then you go find where your stuff is. Test database. It was this one, correct? Select folder, press connect, and voila. Now all the projects in that database is back at once. Alright, I hope this kind of solved your confusion about how project files, saving, databases work in Davinci Resolve, and how you can generate a project file even though Davinci Resolve doesn't do that by itself. Yeah, if you want to know how to package all the project together for archiving and transferring, you can check out this tutorial instead. And yeah, I hope you learned something, and if you did, please press like and comment and subscribe and share with your friends, and let's create more cool things together. See you in the next one. Bye bye.